Okay, we are drawing Venom today. This is an awesome character. I've always loved Spider-Man and the Spider-Man villains. This video, I'm kind of trying to try different things, and I wanted to try this character. I thought he'd fit well with my style. I'm not going to talk for the whole video. I'm just going to try and see if, people prefer me talking or if they just prefer the time-lapse just play out, so this one will have a little more music to it. What you're seeing right now, I'm just reviewing back muscles, so I can also review cross-hatching. It's just something I wanted to tidy up before I got too far into it. So those are the back muscles, and I like to stay limber and kind of try and remember and review the muscle groups so that I can use them for other drawings when I decide to use them. Venom has a lot of he's like kind of a bigger, brutish character, so I wanted to really emphasize the neck muscles. I also did a quick review of bones in the arm. I think here I was working on ideas for a hand. I gave my Venom one hand that was kind of armored, and then I play around with the head again. Of course, there's figuring out the eyes, and I start trying to work on some of the hatching and all that kind of stuff. After that, after this, I ended up doing some quick gestures to figure out the pose I wanted, and then I moved right into the drawing. I'm not going to talk a lot for this one because I'm not sure if there's a huge amount to say. Venom's cool, and it feels like a good opportunity to show off my capabilities drawing exaggerated superhero-like muscles and monsters and stuff. But I'm just going to let the time-lapse play for a while. I've got some other videos where I talk a lot. So if you prefer videos where I talk a lot, say in the comments. If you prefer videos like this where I kind of let it just play for a while without a lot of talking, say that. And thanks for watching. I'll probably stop in toward the end just to do some final notes and final thoughts on the piece. Thank you. Okay, and we're back, and I'm kind of just putting in some of the final shadows and some final darkenings, just kind of blending everything together. Since this is such a dark, inky black character, I wanted to make sure that there were areas that were very dark in addition to the areas with the kind of dark grays and slightly lighter grays and such. But there's the spit, and there's my Venom. I'm pretty happy with this. I was a little concerned about figuring out how the spider insignia would wrap around the chest, and I was kind of just goofing around with the whole gauntlet thing. But overall, I am very happy with this drawing. I think it's a good representation of the character and my abilities as an artist thus far. And I hope to do more of these videos in the future. So, if you're interested, you could subscribe, but just putting that out there. But as always, I'm just kind of moving forward, just trying to get better by doing it over and over again. So, thanks for watching.